Hi everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to look at the most commonly repeated anatomy questions for the CPC exam. So first question, basic body system. And the question, spleen belongs to which system? The answer is lymphatic or immune system. Spleen belongs to which system? Answer lymphatic or immune system. Next question, the adrenal gland belongs to which system? Answer is endocrine. Endocrine system. Third one, appendix belongs to which system? Answer is digestive system. And but you need to be careful. If the question only asks about the appendix, you should choose digestive system. However, if the question say the appendix and spleen belongs to which system, you should choose lymphatic system, because both appendix and spleen play a role in the lymphatic system. Sometimes APC gives this type of tricky question, so people often choose the wrong answer. So remember, appendix alone, digestive system; appendix plus spleen, lymphatic system. Then question from musculoskeletal system. The question, the infraspinatus muscle is located in which body part? Answer is shoulder, part of rotator cuff. The next question, osteosarcoma is a malignant tumor of which tissue? Answer is bone. Next question from cardiovascular. What vessel carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? The answer is pulmonary vein. Next question, which valve is located between left atrium and left ventricle? The answer is bicuspid valve or mitral valve. You high, then you should focus on the terminology and anatomy. The question, which valve is located between left atrium and left ventricle? The answer is mitral or bicuspid valve. Please study with understanding. Don't just memorize or shortcut or hacks. If you truly understand the structures, it will be much easier for you during the exam. Then question from nervous system. The medulla oblongata control which vital functions? Answer, breathing, heart rate, blood pressure. So remember, medulla oblongata control vital functions. The example, breathing, heart rate and blood pressure. Sciatic nerve arises from which plexus? Answer, sacral plexus. Then question from respiratory system. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs in which structure? Answer is alveoli. If the option lungs, if they give only like lungs, kidney, brain, kidney, you choose lungs. If they mention particularly in alveoli, so you should choose alveoli. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs in which structure? The correct answer is alveoli. You please look at the options. There are 4 options. If they give lungs and other 3 organ, you should choose lungs. But if they mention lungs and alveoli, then you should choose alveoli. The next question, epiglottis covers what structure during swallowing? The answer is trachea. Then question from digestive system. Bile is produced in which organ? Answer is liver. Absorption of nutrient occurs mainly in which part of the digestive tract? The answer is a small intestine. Then urinary or reproductive system. This question recently asked in APC. Ureter carry urine from where to where? The answer is kidney to bladder. Which tube carries sperm from epididymis to urethra? Vas deferens. Then question from integumentary system. Another name for eponychium is cuticle. Eponychium. Another name is cuticle. Which skin layer contain blood vessel and nerves? Answer is dermis. The second layer of the skin is dermis, epidermis, dermis. So the blood vessels and nerve contain in dermis. Then questions from eye and ear. Inflammation of retina is called retinitis. That itis is, which means inflammation. So inflammation of retina is called retinitis. The uvea consists of which three parts? Answer, iris, ciliary body, choroid.